Hi, it's Dana with CandleScience. Today, I'd like to show you my favorite project for Valentine's Day, embedded heart container candles. And here's what you'll need. For this project, I'm going to use the IGI 6006 wax. We need enough wax to make 2 candles. The jars we're using today hold 12 ounces of wax each, so I'm going to weigh out 24 ounces of wax total. While we wait for the wax to melt, wipe out each jar with isopropyl alcohol and a paper towel. Using a wick sticker, center 1 Eco 10 wick in each jar. I'm going to weigh out 1.65 ounces of fragrance oil, and that's going to be split between 2 candles. I'm using Wild Rose, but you can use whichever scent you like, and feel free to adjust the fragrance load as well. Once the wax reaches 185 degrees, go ahead and add your fragrance oil. Stir gently until the wax cools to 165 degrees. Then it's time to pour. Remember to leave enough room for your embed. I'm going to leave about 1 inch. Secure with a wick bar. Now we're going to weigh out 8 ounces of wax for our heart embeds. I had some wax left over from before, but if you need to cut more, you absolutely can. 8 ounces of wax is more than enough to make multiple heart embeds, so you can absolutely make more candles. Now this next step is optional, but I'm going to weigh out 0.5 ounces of fragrance oil for the embed wax. When the wax reaches 185 degrees, add 3 to 6 drops of red liquid dye. Add the fragrance and stir gently. Pour the wax into a metal pie plate lined with parchment paper. Once the dyed wax is completely set, it's time to cut out our embeds. Once you've cut out your heart embeds, we're going to poke a hole roughly in the center of them. I'm going to use a wick pin. Now it's time to remove the wick bar from your cooled candle and thread the wick through the hole you've created in your embed. Remember that leftover wax from before? We're going to go ahead and remelt it and use it to fill in the space around the hearts. Once the wax reaches 160 degrees, go ahead and pour it into your candles. Because we're going for an embedded look, be careful not to cover the red heart. Once the wax is completely cooled, go ahead and trim your wick to about 1/4 inch. We recommend adding a warning label to your candle, especially if you'll be giving it as a gift. You can also add a personal touch by using a custom designed label. We like to use Avery. Then, your embedded heart candles are ready to go. For more information and inspiration, head on over to CandleScience.com.